Howdy, paper engineers in training. I know this doesn't look like much right now, but this is going to be a Cybertruck. And these are the different pieces that I'm starting with. Now, you may do something different. There's any way you want to start a chassis and work on the frame or the build. You can build them any way you like. These are all the pieces I have for the 5 Cybertrucks. Now, hopefully I made enough of them. I think I did. I think I counted them correctly. But anyway, that's what I've got to work on for the next little while. And I've got to finish this. As you know, this build right here has been going on for 6 months because it takes time to build this stuff. You can't just rush it. I mean, you can rush it, but you're going to find out there's going to be problems later on that you rushed into something and then you can't fix it very well. It's very difficult to fix. But anyway, this is the neatest part of the build right now, is doing the rest of the detail work on here and then finish doing the paint job. Paint job is critical because it's acrylic paint. It keeps your paper from soaking up moisture, which moisture will destroy your builds. But as you can see, I have all of those builds up there. All right, now, those do not get damp even if there's moisture in the air because the acrylic paint keeps them sealed. All kinds of very cool things that you can build. Doesn't matter what it is. You can build anything you want. You just have to take the time to try and get it done. And come to the show Monday through Friday, 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. Pacific Standard Time in America. What happens is you get to come to the show and ask important questions. We have a lot of videos that are going out to the public, but I have more so that are in the members page. Now, if you have a membership, there's only one membership. It's $4. Anyway, if you get a membership, you can then go on Discord and talk with all the people over there, put pictures up of what you build, and have more personal things going on than what you can in just coming to the show. So anyway, Paper Army, I hope that you're having a fantastic week, because I know life is really, really hard right now. And so anyway, take care, everyone. I love you all very much. And I will be doing a live show shortly. As you can see over here, I've got all kinds of little things. Lots and lots of little things. But after 17 years of building, you end up getting lots of stuff. That's my box of round stuff. And there's R2 and C-3PO there. And a Viper. And a Cylon Raider. And an Abrams tank. Anyway, SR-71 Blackbird for the X-Men. This is what you can do, everyone. Doesn't matter what it is. You can get it done. Just takes some time and some learning. And so my advocacy for this is never stop learning, and that will help out a lot. Take care, Paper Army. Salute.